Tesla has hit another roadblock in its efforts to get its long-delayed German factory up and running. The court in Frankfurt confirmed Wednesday it will hear a complaint on March 4th filed by environmental groups about water supply to the facility. Activists fear the plant's effects on local drinking water, saying it would use as much as a 30,000-person town a year. They argue the Brandenburg Environmental Ministry did not carry out sufficient checks before granting a license for Tesla to operate. If the groups win, Tesla would have to find a new water supplier. Negotiations would have to start from scratch, with no guarantee of finding an answer. The court said a decision was expected on the day of the hearing. Tesla declined to comment on the case. CEO Elon Musk had hoped to have the plant running 6 months ago. It's key for Tesla's ambitions to conquer the European market, and Musk has repeatedly expressed irritation over what he sees as unnecessary German bureaucracy. Rival Volkswagen is currently the biggest electric vehicle seller in the region, well ahead of Tesla.